Welcome back YouTube, wie is het hier weer een Spiestech. New year, new luck, and yeah, new phone. This here should be the Xiaomi 13 and this video is going to be unboxing and first impression. Just arrived, I ordered this beauty from trendy Genshin and it cost me something like 820 euro. It's the 12GB version, 256, so it's rather an expensive phone. And guys, I used to have the Xiaomi 12. It was a very nice small phone, but it had some flaws with thermals, with cooling. It was not able to hold a whole 3D Mark stress test. I really hope that now with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, we're gonna have a different story. And okay, let's just see what I have from Trading Genshin. I never ordered something from them. So, oh, wow. Oh my God. Yeah, so cool. They sent me Christmas socks. Thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate it. Wow, I never expected, you know. But I bought a Xiaomi Redmi Note phone from Tech Tablets from Chris, and he sent it over to me with some goodies that he gets all the time from Trading Genshin. So I kind of expected like a gift, like an OTG adapter or something else. All right, they also gave me a travel adapter, which is very nice. And guys, yeah, what is else in the box? Okay. All right, let's put it here aside. Smartphones, notebooks, quality toys, gadgets, shopping made simple with Trading Genshin. And I do also get a voucher for 5 euro, really much appreciated. Okay, checking for some more things, nothing there. And now guys, without any further ado, here it is, the Xiaomi 13, co-engineered with Leica. Okay, wow, such a huge box, let me just do it. I love the sound. Unboxing new gear. I really have a lot of high hopes for this phone. It runs with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and I read so many positive reviews. Even some people are claiming that it is better than the latest Apple chip. I of course have my own doubts. I need to see this with my own eyes and touch it with my own hands, and I plan to use this phone, do a full deep dive, test MIUI 14 with Android 13, do all the necessary tests on the display, on the camera, on the speakers, on the build quality and all of it, and then hopefully later this year, in a few months actually, get my hands on the S23 Ultra, which also hopefully will run the 8 Gen 2. Okay, so removing the box. Wow, it's a huge box, guys. Remember, right, you don't really get boxes like this anymore. Charger probably included as well. Xiaomi, co-engineered with Leica. Okay, what do we have inside, guys? All right, we have of course a SIM card ejector, we have some nice books and etc. Nobody really want to read that one. Everything is really here. All right, and guys, yes, Jesus Christ. Okay, this looks so beautiful. One more time, inside we have a 67-watt charger. This should really bring charging to the next level. 67 watts wire charging. This is PD30 quick charging 3. It supposedly does 100% in 38 minutes. This is what they advertise. Of course, I'm gonna be testing it. If I get from 0 to 100 in 40 minutes, this is gonna be really a huge achievement. It does also have 50 watts wireless charging, which should give you guys 100% in 48 minutes. And also 10 watts reverse wireless charging. Now guys, something very important. This phone here is 12 gigabytes RAM, 256 storage, and it should have UFS 4.0, which is actually very important for the internal speed and the operations and the speed of the storage. The 128 gigabytes version, yeah, does have only UFS 3.1, so this is really, hey, good motivator for you to really get the proper version. All right, guys, I am now going to remove, oh my God. Oh, yes. Oh, it feels, by the way, very, very cold. And I get, guys, the jade green color. Jesus, wow, so light. I'm having here my S22 Ultra, and you can just check the sizes, guys. 185 grams, guys. This is really a rather small phone, 6.36 inches. Take a look to appreciate the design, guys. It has this very beautiful aluminum frame. It has glass on the back and on the front, and it really looks premium. And I can tell you guys, this phone is really a very nice and small phone to be used. But also, guys, it comes with all the nice things. So it has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. It does come also with an Adreno 740. Again, it should have a very capable camera, so it's a triple setup there. I'm going to test this 50 megapixel the main sensor, then you have a 10 megapixel telephoto and a 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor. Leica lenses with dual LED tone flash also should be able to shoot 8K 24 FPS. And yep, with that said guys, I am hitting here on the power button. Yeah. Wow! Alright. Screen resolution is 1080p per 2400, but with a whooping size of a 4500 mAh, this should really get you going. Wow, everything is in Chinese. Of course, that's right now the Chinese edition. There is no global version yet, guys. The first thing I want to check, guys, I'm gonna go directly and check the version of my phone. So how do we do this? The MIUI version is 14.0.8 stable version, device name Xiaomi 13. Detailed info and specs, guys, you can just see 12 gigabytes of RAM plus 3 gigabytes of virtual RAM. It has the octa-core max 3.19 gigahertz. Android version is 13. Android security update from the October last year, guys. And well, let me just try to activate this beauty and then just give you my first impression. Also worth mentioning, you are getting a free case for that phone. So this is really like a full package, guys. You get the very good 67-watt charger. You also get protection for your phone, and this is why I love Xiaomi. I mean, they really are giving you anything. Okay, now let's continue with the first impression. On the back, guys, you have your USB-C port. This should be USB-C Type 2.0. Of course, it does support OTG. You have also a speaker here and also the SIM card tray. Very important, guys, here this is a microphone, right? So don't just put your ejector there. Anyway, it should get protection. So we have here also a speaker on the button. Let's continue on the side. You have the power button here with the volume rocker, and they feel very, very premium and tactile. On this left side, you just get this very beautiful stainless frame, guys, and then on the top, guys, you have so many holes because you know what, this phone still has the infrared port. So you can just take this phone in your hand. With the infrared port, you can play some pranks when you're visiting restaurants. Just turn on and turn off the TVs and etc. You have also microphones up there and all the other sensors. It really looks stunning. On the back, you have the camera setup, and yeah, it has this bulge, so of course it's gonna wobble when you put it on a desk. What I do love about the design is the fact that it has this rectangular shape. So the shape of the camera lenses is pretty much aligned with the shape of the phone. So it's not looking so bad. I can just give you here a short comparison. Of course, that's the King, the S22 Ultra, and this is here my Xiaomi 13 next to it. Yes, and you have of course also the Xiaomi logo there. On the front part of the screen, guys, you have a 32 megapixel front camera with an f2.1, and it's actually 22 millimeters, so it's kind of like a wide. And this camera should also be doing FHD video, but only at 30 FPS. Of course, the camera setup on the back is far more interesting, so I'm gonna be putting this through a serious set of tests. Let's take a moment to appreciate the display. It's an OLED display, guys, 120 Hz. It should have Dolby Vision HDR10 Plus, 1200 nits, so it's really bright, and the peak brightness should go up to 1900, so this really should be visible under direct sunlight. Of course, I'm gonna be testing this. Screen size, again, 6.3 inches, and the screen to body ratio is almost 90%, so it has these rather thick bezels, but it doesn't really look bad. The PPI density is 441, so honestly, yeah, it's quite a stunning display, guys. So with all of that said, guys, I'm gonna put my SIM card from the Ultra to the Xiaomi 13 and I will start my test. Let me know what you want me to do, what you want me to test on the Xiaomi 13, guys. Again, remember it has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. This should be really a killer chipset and everybody is really praising it. All right, we're gonna see how Xiaomi implemented this. I really hope that you like videos like this. If that's the case, guys, don't hesitate, subscribe for the channel, guys. Stay safe and happy new year to all of us. VST over and bye.